Okay, friends, so I'm done with the piano side, this one for now. And this time I need to access the reeds on the bass side. So I'm gonna have to remove all these pins and remove the bellows. As I said before, what you want to do is make sure you number the pins where they go, and also make yourself a reference. So when you put back the bellows, you know exactly what orientation it has to go in. So this is how I do it. I just put a tape here and a here, one here. Okay, I removed all the pins. Time to remove the bellows. Okay, there we go. I'm checking the bellows. Make sure they seem to be fine. As you can see, these are all loose. They're gonna come out real easy. They're brittle. So I need to take these reeds out and clean them and re-wax them. Sometimes in these older accordions, one of the bass reed blocks, and I've seen it many times, it's actually glued to the bottom. So you cannot remove it without damaging the wood, or you don't want to take a chance. So you need to remove the reeds in this position as the reed block is sitting inside the accordion. And what you want to do is try to cover as much exposure to the pellets on the other side, so you don't get any dried out wax on them, because it's going to cause you a problem later. So this is what I do. I just do this and I go against the gravity so I don't get anything inside the accordion, and I start taking the wax out. So it takes a while, so I'm going to do it and come back. This old wax, sometimes really hard to remove. I even heated it, still some is really stuck to the wood. So I'm gonna do my best, and then I'm gonna use the sandpaper to clean it off. Don't you ever look at restoring accordions as a business. You're not gonna make any money. This is just a hobby for me. Keeps me busy, keeps my mind going. And because I play the accordion, after I fix it, I really enjoy playing it. Gives me a sense of achievement and actually encourages me to start the next one. So I have like 5 more accordions right now that I need to restore. I buy them all the time. When I see a really nice one, I just buy it and keep it until I have time to attend to it. Frequent cleaning is essential to get rid of all the contaminants that may stay in the accordion, because if you get a small piece between these pellets and the accordion and it stays open, you're gonna have problems. So you have to go disassemble to the other side, try to find it and get it out. Okay, so clean as much as you can.